Hi guys, welcome again. It's Alligator Clay here. Today we've got Slate pencils from India. And just have a look at that, guys. This is just to show you how we package your goodies, your Slate pencils. So guys, these are the Slate pencils. The brand is Metro. Yeah, there you go. So as always, we'll label the package and we'll write the weight. So we've got Metro Slate pencils, 500 grams. So here they are, guys. As always guys, we will have our label with our website and our email address if you would like to contact us for whatsoever reason, guys. There you are. So these are this brand. They are very thin, they are very snappy, crunchy, earthy. So for slate lovers, this is how we bag your goodies. Look at that, guys. So these are from India. The brand is Metro. Guys, remember, please do subscribe to our channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe so that we can continue bringing you interesting and amazing videos. Thanks for watching.